Hi, I'm Ken with Gilbert Handyman Services here. I met Jay probably a good 8-9 years ago, possibly even more than that, in the parking lot at Standard Plumbing here. I was doing some work for my neighbors who ran a portable air conditioning company and towing their trailer. And when he saw that, he wondered, what's this chap up to? And right after that, we made that connection and just have been working with each other ever since. As a handyman, we are the legit jack of all trades. So there's a number of things that I've assisted Jay on when he was busy or needed help with. A lot of my clients, when they need anything to do with gas plumbing, he is definitely the first person that I reach out to. So a lot of the times when I've got clients that have electric stoves and they're converting to gas, I can do a lot of the other work, but when it comes down to running that gas line for my clients, that's when I rely on the cooling and plumbing company, and they'll come out and able to run that gas line efficiently and make everything look nice and pretty for me to be able to do the rest of the finished work.